Yellowstone Caldera by Will M. My volcano is in Yellowstone. It is a caldera location in Wyoming. It causes earthquake clusters. It is often referred to as a supervolcano. Old Maple Geyser is a geothermal vent. The end.